This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the imaging sensor, microcontroller, lens, and power. First, mount the imager to a small PCB and solder 3V GND TX/RX lines. Make sure to connect the UART or SBI pins correctly. Once done, wire the IR LED array to the regulator with a current-limiting resistor and test with a multimeter. Make sure to secure the lens assembly to avoid focus shifts and route wires to avoid strain. This reduces read errors later. You now load firmware onto the microcontroller. Install the camera driver and a barcode decoder library, then configure UART or USB CDC for host communication. Next, calibrate optics by adjusting focus distance and exposure. Increase IR illumination until contrast is consistent without glare. Once tuned, implement software features, auto gain control, region of interest cropping, and debounce logic to reduce false reads. Make sure to test with multiple barcode types and distances so the decoder parameters are accurate for real-world scans. You finish by mounting the electronics into an enclosure that fixes the lens at the calibrated distance and keeps the viewing angle consistent. Add ports for USB and optional trigger. Then run systematic tests. Scan many barcodes across lighting scenarios to validate reliability. If failures occur, check grounding and cable strain first. Inspect logs for buffer overflows or check some errors in the UART stream. One key troubleshooting tip: if reads drop under bright light, reduce exposure and add a narrow optical filter to prevent sensor saturation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.